Chapter 6. The World in Dark. Many animals cease to exist over the passage of time. Climate change, lack of food, and inability to adjust to specific environmental changes made it impossible for them to survive. Let's read about some of these animals that are extinct on Earth. Let me answer. Which animal has been surviving on this earth before the age of dinosaur? 1. Dinosaur. These fierce creatures walked the earth for millions of years. They used to live on land, in water, and even fly in the sky. Number 2. Woolly mammoth. The giant old creature is the ancestor of the modern-day elephant that vanished from Earth about 10,000 years ago. The bodies of this species have been found in the polar waste and are remarkably well preserved. Number 3. Saber-toothed tiger. This most amazing ice age carnivore used to live in grasslands, shrubby areas, and pine forests. This majestic animal got extinct about 15,000 years ago. Number 4. This large pointless bird native to the islands of Mauritius disappeared some 300 years ago due to the destruction of its natural habitat. Info bits. Every year about 200 to 2000 existing animals species become extinct. Teachers note. Help students to understand the meaning of extinction of animals and endangered species.